What is up? It is Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like DIY, fashion, and sewing videos. Let's jump right into the video. Today's video is another Dollar Tree DIY video. You guys know I love the Dollar Tree, and there are so many things in there that are great for crafting and just so many different projects you can do for such a cheap price. And this headband that I'm going to show you guys only cost $3. Let me show you guys what I got, and then I will just show you how to do this really quick because it is very simple and it's easy and it's great for Halloween. You can pick different flowers for any time of the year, so you can do Halloween, you can do spring, I mean you can do leaves, like you could do whatever you want to do for this. So be creative. I want to see it if you guys decide to make one. So I got this headband, and it actually had 2 in a pack, so technically I guess it'd be 50 cents for this. Then I got these beautiful purple flowers, and they also have spiders on them, so I might incorporate those somehow as well. Then I found these really pretty black flowers. So I just think they're really fun for Halloween because of the eyeballs in them. I just think it's so hilarious, and it's very unique too. All right, let me show you guys how to make this flower headband. This project, I'm going to be using Fabri-Tac glue, and you can get this from Joann. Pull all the flowers off of the stems. Glue it on. For this headband, I had to use 1 extra flower in here, so make it as full as you want. You can just squeeze the flowers in between. I had to incorporate this cute little spider on here, so I just added 1. So I am done with my Halloween flower crown, and I really do like it. It's super cute and easy to make, really fun for Halloween, and really cheap. I'm sure you can make yours cheaper than you can buy it, so that's kind of the point of this whole video. I really like just the eyeballs in it. I think it's so adorable. And I added this little spider. Where is he? Right here. So just the little details, you know, make it fun, and all the glitter. Just a really fun craft to do for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed and found inspiration to make your own Halloween flower crown, or whatever holiday you want to make it for, or a special event, or just everyday wear. Let me know what you guys think about this flower crown. If you do dislike this video, please tell me why. Leave constructive criticism. Thank you guys so much for watching. Jack and I will see you in our next video.